3 tips for the lazy Mac user. Let's go. Alright, so today we have 3 different tips, and I call it for the lazy Mac user, but it's not really the case. So if you like to save some time, these 3 tips are going to be tips that can save you just a few seconds here and there. I know everyone out there, I know people that just live by the fact that they can save, a microsecond on doing something and it really makes them feel good. So these are kind of those type of tips. Are they super useful? Maybe not, but are they going to help you save a few seconds of your day? Or maybe some load up time on the Mac, which I'll show you. Maybe. So let's get into them. They're just going to be quick. It's going to be 3 different tips that are very simple. You may know some of them. Let's take a look. All right, so the first tip for the lazy person is, let's say you get up. Let's envision this. I'll put some videos up here, but let's say you're getting out of bed and you can smell the coffee you go down and you can smell the coffee brewing and things like that. You come to your office. You're getting ready for work. We're all working from home, and to your dismay, your computer's not even on. It's not ready for you. You have to actually sit there for 20 or 30 seconds and boot it up. If it's a spinning drive, it could take a minute. So let's solve that. Here's my tip. All right, so you get up at 7 o'clock, you're working from home, you walk to your computer, and it's not on. Oh boy. So what do? All you have to do is go up here to the Apple icon, go to System Preferences, and inside of here, I'm actually on Catalina. So on Catalina, I believe Mojave, and later this will work fine. But you want to go to Energy Saver right here. So you want to click on that. And that's going to bring open this window right here. And in this window, all you have to do is in the lower right-hand corner, there's a schedule down here. See this little button here? Go ahead and click on that. And right here, there's a little icon that says Start Up or Wake. So you can click that. And then you can click Every Day. And you can set the time to, let's say, let's just say it's 7 a.m. So if I click OK here, which I won't do, but if I clicked OK here right now, and let's say I'm done with my computer, I turn it off, this computer is going to start up, and it's going to just launch basically at 7 a.m. in the morning. Now keep in mind though, this is on an iMac, it's plugged in. It'll do the same thing on a MacBook Pro, but it has to be plugged in, otherwise it won't do it because it'll fear that the battery will run out. So if you're on a MacBook Pro or a battery operated device, definitely make sure it's plugged in for this to work, otherwise it will not. But on this, it works fine. This is my iMac I'm on right now, and on an iMac it works fine. It'll be, your computer will be on free at 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock in the morning, right when you walk in. Case solved. All right, so the second tip for the lazy Mac user. Let's say you're working throughout the day and you're getting killed with tons of different notifications. People are sending you emails and messages and trying to FaceTime you and things like that. I'll show you just one simple command. It takes 2 seconds just to make sure that you aren't bugged any longer. All right, so this next one's going to take 2 seconds to show you, but let's just assume you're getting all these different notifications that keep popping up and you're trying to get work done or actually take a nap. All you have to do is, here's your notification icon up here. You can see it under notifications. It's this little icon up here that looks like a bunch of lines with a couple dots on it. All you have to do is just bring your cursor up there, hold down the Option key and press it with the left button, I guess, or whatever, just a mouse click. And you can notice that it actually grays it out. So it actually disables that notification window, and so you won't get any notifications. So don't forget this is not on, and then if you go ahead and close, hit the Option button again, click it again, you'll see that it comes back, and now you can get your notifications. So if you just want to get some some sleep in or some nap time in, go up here, hold the Option key down, click it. Now it's grayed out. Now you won't be bugged. And finally, let's just say you want to open up apps quickly and you're one of those people that, just 1 second if you can shave off opening the apps is going to really help out your day. That's not really me, but I know a lot of people out there are like that. So I'm just going to give a quick tip. If you actually have to go into your Launchpad and you just, you have to go to Launchpad, open that up, and then you have to kind of siphon through all the different applications you have. This is just a really quick shortcut that's going to show you a way to do it 1 second faster and may help some people out, but most people are going to think it's crazy, so let's take a look. All right, so my last tip is here. So let's go up to the Apple icon again, and under here you want to go to System Preferences. And once you're in here, there's a couple things you want to do. You can get there a different way, but just go ahead and click on Mission Control right here. So I'm going to click on that. Inside of here, there's a bunch of different things you can do with Mission Control. You can check those out. But go down to Hot Corners down here, click on that. And if you're kind of a Windows user, when you're in Windows, if you go down to the lower left-hand corner, sometimes all your applications, that's how you get to them and how you start them up. So what I like to do is, there's 4 corners here, and you can do different tasks, and I'll show you what that means. But basically, I'm going to pick the lower left-hand corner just because, just say you're coming from a Windows user. So go ahead and click that, and it gives you a bunch of different things that this can actually do if you click that. So what I want to do is I want to select Launchpad right here. And now you see that the lower left-hand corner does say Launchpad. I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to close this. So now all I have to do is, here's my cursor, you can see it in the middle. As soon as I just want to open up some apps, if I just scroll down and just click and not even click, just scroll down to the lower left-hand corner, I'm going to do it. Launchpad comes right up. So look at that. So then I can, pick my application or get out of here. But if I want to, let's say I'm working again and I want to get to the apps really quickly, instead of going, down here to Launchpad, just go like there, and there they are. So 2 seconds, you got your apps. Just a little tip. All right, so those are my lazy tips for people that really want to, shave a couple seconds off their day. For me, I'm not totally like that, but I know a lot of people are. They want to, some simple things that they can do to just shave, a few seconds here and there, just makes their day a little bit better. So hopefully these will help out. When you do videos like this and you're on YouTube all the time, it's difficult to come up with new video topics and things like that. So hopefully this one's a little bit funner. I mean, it's a little bit lighter, and hopefully it'll help some people out in the long run with these couple seconds that they can save or shave off their lives, as far as helping them do something maybe more that they like to do instead of just, messing around with the computer. So at the end of the day, you guys know my channel. I make videos on everything from tech, a lot of Apple stuff and PC stuff and things to that nature. And then I also do a lot of travel. I used to. We've really got away from that since the coronavirus. I'm going to try to start doing a little bit more of that one day, but right now it's more, I'm trying to do videos on how to save people money and maybe save people time with computers. So definitely subscribe to my channel. It's going to help me out, and we'll kind of go from there. I make a couple of videos a week, as you guys know. Talk to you soon. Peace.